everyone, it's Paul from Bighorn Woodworks. Welcome back and thank you for tuning in. Today we're getting a shop upgrade. We're going to go ahead and put a riser block on my Grizzly bandsaw. Okay, before we begin tearing apart the bandsaw, let's open up the kit and see what comes inside. Okay, instructions. This is a 105-inch 3/8, I want to say 6 TPI. This is the riser block. It's got an up on it, tells you which direction it goes. Silica, don't eat that. For the new blade guard. Attachment bolt. The attachment bolt connects the top part of the bandsaw to the bottom part of the bandsaw and is long enough to reach through the riser block. This is the blade guard, a blade alignment guard rod that needs to be replaced. Rear side blade cover guard that protects along the opposite side of the blade. Premium carbide blade. In order to be able to make the modifications on the saw, I need to take a few things apart. But before I do that, I just want to clean up a little sawdust. Now that I have the blade off, I'll go ahead and take the power switch off. Also, make sure you unplug it first. Because I forgot. This is that back blade guard. On both top and the bottom. These were loose. We'll make sure those are tight when I put it back on. That can come off. There's a little more sawdust. This gets replaced entirely. So this needs to come off and this needs to come off. This is the blade guard. This is the adjustment rod. This, I'll pull that off first. Okay. This assembly is kept, but needs to be removed from this bar. Take that out. We'll probably give that a nice little cleaning. This is the adjustment bar. The adjustment bar has a wheel on the inside, a geared wheel that allows it to be able to push this up and down. In order to be able to remove that, take this adjustment knob off. These two screws will need to be loosened up a little bit, but before I do that, I want to take this adjustment knob off. All right. This then pushes out, and when I remove these, or back these off, There it is. That's off. This next step calls for the help of a friend, but I don't have anybody available, so I put a block up into the rafters. I've got a ratchet strap tied around the frame back here so that when I start loosening this doesn't fall away. Should be strong enough, I hope. Well, that was fun, successful. I mean, not unsuccessful, but it was kind of fun. Alright, let's back you up here. Alright. Good. So, that's a lot more clearance. Holy cow. Okay. Open the doors up. And before I do anything else, I just want to check wheel alignment. That feels about right. By feels about right, so the way that they recommend tightening these screws is that you'd be easily able to push it up and pull it down and have it stay in place. Pushing in with the finger from the back. Loosen that up a little bit. Okay. This collar keeps it in place. Give her a nice little tighten down. And this, register the pin with the Allen wrench. Give that a good little tighten down. Okay. Install the black back. Install the back blade guard. Put this on. This was not in the instruction book. This has got to come off. Looks like there's a hole a little further up here that fits into. And this one goes in here. Keys on there again. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was actually really quick. The hard part is now, because I've got to get everything aligned, make sure that the blade fits and that it runs true. Yeah, really happy I wore gloves. Time to turn it on for the first time. actually it's pretty easy. The riser block gives me an extra 6 inches of clearance. The kit comes with everything you need. The instructions are pretty easy to follow. It comes with its own blade. It comes with one blade for it. I did buy a carbide tipped blade for it because I wanted that. Yeah, so pretty easy. And if you've got a grizzly bandsaw and are looking for a little extra room, I'll let you know how it runs. Thanks. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time, please don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button, and also make sure you hit the bell to make sure you're notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching Bighorn Woodworks. I'm Paul. We'll see you on the next one.